3, 2, 1. I buy faulty electronic items, attempt to fix them and sell them for a profit. I paid a total of £176 for this console. Now, there's a reason why I paid £176 for this console. Can you take a guess why that would be? Yes, that's right. Warranty seal sticker is not tampered with. Basically, will not turn on, just beeps, then shuts off. And as always, let's give it a test. Warranty sticker is intact. Things you love to see. Plug in some power. Here we go. Right. What happens? I can see it's actually quite dusty, so this one will need a clean. 3, 2, 1. Beep. Fan spin. Off. Okay. Interesting. Could be a plethora of things. We get another beep. What we could do for this one is UART. That is definitely a possibility, but it's telling us something is wrong, and the fan spin does concern me a little bit, but I'm not going to get into that just now. I'm not going to put any bad omens on this console. So let's get this apart. Nothing seems to be ridiculously obvious. Now, before I actually take the board out, I'm just going to check for a few voltages just to make sure we're all good. Something easy or something hard. Let's just ground that. Do we have 5 volt standby? We do. Do we have 3.3? We have 3.3. Do we have something here when we go to push power on? Yep, 2.5. Nice. All right, basic stuff done. Let's try with just a few pokey tests. South bridge also seems to be okay as well. Okay, well, this might be a tough one unless we can find something specifically on the other side of the board. Okay, we don't have any shorts here. Oh, we might have a bit of a tricky one. All fuses checked as well. Seems to be okay. I think we're going to have to go straight with UART for this one. What do I mean by UART? UART is a diagnostics tool. It should jump out and tell us exactly what the issue is, but sometimes it's just not that simple. I hope in this situation it is. So let me hook up UART and see if I get anything to tell me exactly what the fault is. UART's all hooked up, and I don't actually know if I have good news here. This is probably the worst code that you can see when doing UART. And we get a 0014 and we get a 002. What both of those transpire to is a TPM 2.0 chip or power failure. But if I put the other one in, which is the 002, and press enter, exactly the same TPM 2.0 chip or power failure. The TPM chip itself is a chip that is bound to the console, so it's not one that you can take from another console and put onto this one. Usually when it says TPM like that in the past, I've personally not been able to fix it, and I'm unaware of other people who have been able to fix it, which is obviously extremely annoying, considering as well that I paid the 176 for this because it had the warranty sticker on. To get that in UART sucks. I've spent the last 20 minutes just double checking everything and looking over the power rail, and because the board it's never been gone into before, it's so clean, I have reason to believe it is just going to be the TPM chip again, which is annoying. However, the game is the game. We're looking at a rough loss of £-47.49.